Just got this in the mail. Let's take a look at it. It's for the pool. Of course, I got to get it open. And it's all wrapped up. Let's see if I can do it without breaking it. I think I'm going to need a knife. What do you guys think? I need something sharp. There we go. Yeah, getting there. So this is a pool for your pool. It's a basket. It's got, I think that's, I don't know what that is. This must be the handle that you put on it. We'll figure that out in a second. First we got to get it out of this skin, which is super tight on here. Oh, bam, done. All right, put this down. All right, so I'm thinking that this goes on these little nodules on the side. You follows me? Seems like that's how it would work. You put that, is there like a little hole there? Oh yeah, look. So look, so that's got to go in there like that. And this one goes over here. So you got to kind of pull it, right? You got to pull this, flex it, and get it in the hole. And there's your handle. Bam, ready to go. Now all we got to do is try it out in the pool and see what we think. So that's it right there. Blue, looks good. The question is it weighted enough to stay down? Will it float? We'll have to find out. So anyway, here we are. We got our little skimmer. Let's pull ours out of here. I'm sure it's full of leaves. And so they appear to be about the same, right? So anyway, here's our skimmer. And let's see if it'll fit down in there. It's pretty good. And so bam, there it is. It's in there. And we just have to let the thing get a bunch of leaves in it. Looks pretty good. To get it out, you just reach down, pull her out. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Put her in, top of it. There it is. Bam, ready to go. All right. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on products like this. Peace out.